Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jaime Diaz. The topic to be discussed is evolutionary theory is a branch of psychology whose objective is the study the development of humans being towards their entire life cycle. The main thing in the Ultraman, the multiple chants that manifests the mean behavior of the begin from break to the girl. The main theories are based of the names of the synthesis, approach, contribution, personality, diversity in the under the either or drive part, superego or critical part, sensory or moral, and finally the self that is rational. Melanie claimed child development date sits for breaks and the development that occur from the game. Erickson starts and Chris that consider that society and culture have an important role in shaping personalities.